Welcome everyone. I hope that this proves to be a fun, adventurous, learning-filled week for everyone. I just want to take a moment to go through what we're going to be doing over the course of this week, at least for today, Monday and Tuesday of week 18. So if you click from the home page to today's lesson, you're going to get the modules for week 18. I've taken to put in a learning target here so that you can see right away what we're expected to be doing, followed by our attendance question, and then next our HyperDoc. Now underneath the HyperDoc are any assignments that you're going to need to be able to access through Canvas that I can't link to within the HyperDoc itself. So in this case, it's the Getting to Know You assignment. Now I'll talk about that in a moment. But if you go into the HyperDoc by opening it up and opening it in a new tab, you will see a document that looks like this. And I've taken to, since some of this is review and just to sort of streamline for this week anyway, labeling 1, 2, and 3 as the 3 different activities that we're going to be completing. Now, activity 1 is what we worked on last class. It's answering a survey of various topics, trying to gauge the level of importance of those topics to you, as well as just to generate some ideas of things that are interesting that you've been learning about or would like to learn more about. Now, the survey is completely anonymous. There's no part of it that is attributed to you specifically. It's more just to see overall with all of my classes where we're at and what we think is important so that Mrs. Rock and I, with our next upcoming unit, can plan accordingly to something that would suit your interests. Activity 2 is going back into the journal of the Getting to Know You document. It was originally an assignment for completion. It was you creating a Google Doc and practicing changing the share sessions, or the share settings, on that in order to be able to turn it into Canvas as a URL. If you did it correctly, then you and I both have the capability to be able to write on that Google Doc, and we will use it as a way to journal back and forth. There's so much stuff that's not able to be covered, and I don't have that extra time to be able to talk to you the way I would if we were in a classroom. So this is just a way for us to be able to do that and just have a little bit more one-on-one time to work together and share out things that are going on in our world. Number 3 in this particular case is going to be a survey to help you organize your thoughts for designing your own digital breakout. Whatever topics you're into, whatever subjects you enjoy, whatever hobbies you have, or things like that, you're going to start brainstorming some ideas in order to come up with a topic that you feel comfortable learning more about, working with, and really getting to choose as part of your own learning moving forward. So it's really important that you take the time to fill that out in a way that is reflective of what you would like to learn or work with coming up. So in a private message, I will be letting you know in class what you're going to need to complete. You really do know whether or not you've completed them based on your attendance in classes and in school tool. But just to make the process a little more streamlined in class, you'll receive a private message from me letting me know which of these activities you're going to need to be working on in class today. So there you have it. Activities 1 and 3, the links are right here in this HyperDoc. Activity 2, Getting to Know You, because I can't link from a Google Doc back to Canvas, I've put it right here so that you can open it up and see what you've written, or if you need to actually turn it in for the first time. So I hope you have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.